The FAQ page that actually works. When was the last time a customer emailed you asking something you've answered 100 times before? Most small business owners face this almost daily. A solid FAQ page can quietly handle most of that for you. And AI makes building one faster than most people realize. The problem is, most FAQ pages are useless. 5 vague questions that don't actually answer anything real. What actually helps is a FAQ page built around the real questions your specific customers are asking, written in plain language, before they even have to reach out. Start by gathering actual questions. Spend about 20 minutes searching your email inbox for question marks. Check your Google Business Profile Q&A section. Look through your DMs and think about what people ask before they buy from you. Pull together at least 15 to 20 questions. Don't filter yet, just collect. Now use AI to organize them. Open ChatGPT or Claude and paste in your raw list. Tell it what kind of business you run and ask it to organize the questions into logical groups, remove duplicates, clean up the wording, and suggest any you might have missed. Ask it not to write answers yet, just the questions. Here's an honest limitation. AI will suggest generic questions like, "What are your hours?" The really useful stuff comes from your inbox, not the AI. It won't know to ask, "Do you use dye-free products?" unless you brought those from real conversations. That first step isn't optional. Have AI write the answers. Ask for friendly, plain-spoken answers under 75 words each. Include context about your business, pricing, policies, location. Tell the AI to write "fill in" if it doesn't have enough information, so you know what needs verification. Go through every single answer before publishing and verify the facts, especially anything involving money, timing, or health and safety. AI will confidently make things up if you don't give it real information. Format it properly. Use accordion format if your site supports it, or bold questions with answers underneath, grouped by category. Put your most important questions first, whatever customers wonder about most before buying. Keep it updated. Once a month, glance at your inbox for new questions worth adding. A FAQ page with outdated information is worse than no FAQ at all. Those repetitive emails don't have to come to your inbox. A FAQ page built on real questions from real customers, with answers you've verified, can quietly handle that load for you. AI does the time-consuming part fast, so you can focus on getting the details right. Start collecting your real customer questions today.